Software testing is evolving rapidly with advancement in technology. As business demands faster and more reliable software, the role of testing is becoming more crucial. Here is a look at 5 key points that highlights the future of software testing. First, automation dominance. Automation is the set to dominate the future of the software testing. Traditional manual testing is time-consuming and prone to human errors. Automation tools can perform repetitive tasks quickly and consistently, reducing the time and cost of testing. With the rise of artificial intelligence and machine learning, automated testing tools will become even smarter, capable of predicting potential issues before they occur. This will lead to more efficient testing process and higher quality software. Second thing is shift left testing. Shift left testing refers to the practice of starting testing earlier in the software development lifecycle. Instead of waiting until the end of the development to test, team will begin testing as soon as the coding starts. This approach helps in identifying and fixing bugs early, which is cheaper and less disruptive than discovering issues later in the process. Shift left testing encourages collaboration between developers and testers, leading to more seamless and integrated testing process. Third thing is continuous testing. Continuous testing is the practice of testing software continuously throughout its development. As a part of DevOps movement, continuous testing ensures that the software is always a deployable state. Automated tests are run every time a change is made to the code, providing immediate feedback to developers. This approach reduces the risk of releasing buggy software and accelerates the delivery of high-quality products. Fourth one is test data management. Managing test data effectively will become increasingly important with more complex applications. Ensuring that the test data is accurate, secure, and up-to-date is crucial for reliable testing outcome. Advanced tools and techniques will be used to generate and manage test data, simulating real-world scenarios more accurately. This will help in testing software under different conditions, ensuring that it performs well in various environments. Fifth one, AI and ML integration. Integration of AI and ML in software testing is poised to revolutionize the industry. These technologies can analyze vast amounts of data to identify patterns and predict potential defects. AI-driven tools can also prioritize tests based on risk, ensuring that the most critical areas are tested first. Over the time, AI and ML will make testing more intelligent, adaptive, and efficient, leading to higher quality software with fewer resources. If you are watching this video on YouTube, then please do subscribe, and if you are watching it on Facebook or Instagram, then please follow me for more such content. Thank you very much.